It is now straight up official that Ducati Troy Lee Designs factory team will be racing at A1. Now, obviously, the overall rumors are that Justin Barcia and Dylan Ferrandis are going to be the riders for this. So I'm going to leave this, or not leave this, I'm going to start this right now. Comment down below, tell me how well do you think this goes? For them, are you excited for this new team? Just overarching, how well do you think Justin and Dylan do, the team does, whatever it is. I'm full on ready for this. Full on Ducati factory team, a new, factory team coming into this with big sponsors, obviously Troy Lee, Red Bull, like they are going to be a big team. And if you've paid attention to any sort of two-wheeled racing in the last 5 years, 6 years, whatever, they are making absolute rocket ships. And I know street racing or circuit racing, whatever you want to call it, is a very different beast than dirt bike racing. Obviously, different surface, different bike frame, whatever. Who cares? Semantics. They're going to come in here and they're going to want to do well. They're not going to throw all this money, bring in a big factory support, build this bike, whatever they've been doing for the last 2 years, running it in the Italian Championship and every other place that they've been running it with Cairoli and Lupino, Sewer, Guadagnini. Like, they've been running this bike a lot. And Ducati is a big name, big OEM, big money. They're going to want to come in. They're going to want to be competitive. They're going to be, want to be one of those teams that just starts winning early. You're not going to want to be a beta or joke implied, or any triumph, I guess. Not that they've done bad, but they're going to want to come in and compete with the big boys, compete with Yamaha, Kawasaki, KTM, and look for wins. So I'm excited about this. Obviously excited for just A1 in general. But this is, like I said, I'm leaving it to you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for this? Are you excited for A1? What do you think of the rider lineup of Ferrandis and Barcia? Do you think it should have been somebody else? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.